Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best RTV gasket maker is probably one of the most versatile and essential sealants you can have in your garage or workshop, capable of creating durable, long-lasting seals on a wide variety of surfaces and applications, from engines and transmissions to plumbing and household repairs. This video will guide you through everything you need to know about choosing and using RTV Gasket Maker, ensuring you make the best choice for your specific needs and achieve professional quality results. Number 5. JB Weld 32329 RTV Silicone Sealant. This is JB Weld 32329, the ultimate black RTV silicone gasket maker and sealant. It's perfect for creating durable, reliable seals in a variety of applications. It provides a superior seal, ensuring protection against leaks and other issues. This makes it ideal for mechanical assemblies. This advanced formula is sensor-safe, so you can use it with confidence around sensitive electronic components. It won't damage your equipment. Application is simple and straightforward. It's designed for ease of use, even for DIY projects. It offers long-lasting protection and a reliable seal that will stand the test of time. Count on it for lasting performance. It's a versatile solution for many sealing needs. Use it in automotive, industrial, and home repair projects. What we like. It's a reliable and safe option for various applications. If you need a black RTV silicone gasket maker that's compatible with sensors, this is a great choice. Its compact size is perfect for smaller projects and occasional use. What people say. Worked well when my wife did a self-repair on her rain boot sole that developed a small crack where the sole flexed. She did the repair as I watched. Everything went as planned. Easy to use. The boot sat for 24+ hours to cure the seal. A wet test in a sink showed no leaks. A puddle test after the next rain also showed a great fix. Works really well as a chalk around my black granite and sink. Had to purchase this because at the time no one made a black chalking for kitchen use. It is easy to apply and provides a good moisture barrier. One of the standout features of the JB Weld 31319 is its exceptional durability. Once applied, it forms a strong and resilient bond that withstands a wide range of environmental conditions, including temperature fluctuations, moisture, and vibration. Another aspect of this product that I appreciate is its ease of use. The nozzle allows for precise application, minimizing waste and mess during the sealing process. Number 4. Permatex 82180 RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. This is Permatex 82180, the ultimate solution for creating durable and reliable seals. It's designed to withstand extreme conditions and provide long-lasting protection. It features a non-corrosive formula, ensuring it's safe for your sensors and won't damage your valuable components. This makes it ideal for various applications. This advanced silicone gasket maker boasts superior resistance to powertrain fluids, including engine oil, transmission fluid, and coolants. It keeps your application locked in place. It retains its flexibility and oil resistance over time. It won't harden, shrink, or crack, even under extreme temperature changes. This product provides a long-lasting, high-performance seal. It's perfect for various applications, from valve covers to differential covers. Use it on valve covers, oil pans, transmission pans, and more. It's a versatile solution for all your sealing needs. Withstands temperatures from -65°F to 500°F, -54°C to 260°C, intermittently. This ensures it can handle a wide range of operating conditions. What we like. This product boasts superior oil resistance and a non-corrosive formula. If you're working on engines or other high-oil applications, it provides a long-lasting, flexible seal. Its flexibility makes it ideal for applications that experience movement or vibration. Number 3. Permatex 82194 Ultra Gray RTV Silicone. This high-performance silicone gasket maker is sensor-safe and non-corrosive, providing reliable seals for various mechanical assemblies. It's perfect for high-torque and vibration-resistant applications. It offers maximum vibration resistance, withstanding high-torque loads while creating a tough, flexible silicone rubber gasket. Say goodbye to leaks caused by vibrations. This durable silicone gasket resists aging, weathering, and thermal cycling. It won't harden, shrink, or crack, even with extreme temperature changes from -65 degrees Fahrenheit to 500 degrees Fahrenheit. It can replace pre-cut gaskets or be used as a gasket maker or sealant. It's versatile enough for a wide range of applications. Use it on valve covers, water pump housings, intake manifolds, and more. It's the perfect solution for creating reliable, long-lasting seals. With its superior performance and versatility, it's the ideal choice for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Get superior sealing power with Permatex 82194. What we like. Need a gasket maker that can withstand high torque and vibrations? This one is designed for those demanding applications. If you are working on high vibration machinery, this is the perfect choice for a durable and reliable seal. Its gray color also makes it easy to see where it's applied. What people say. Worked great on the threads of a PCV valve to seal it well. Bought for a 1982 Yamaha Virago 750 rebuild project. Used between the two case halves when reassembling. Used as directed, it worked perfectly and haven't had any issues or leaks whatsoever. Plenty left over for future use and the container keeps the goo safe and wet. The Permatex 82195 Ultra Gray RTV Silicone Gasket Maker is a must-have for anyone working with high torque and vibration-resistant applications. It has consistently provided a strong, durable seal that holds up under pressure. The silicone is easy to apply and sets quickly, making the repair process more efficient. It's sensor-safe and non-corrosive, which gives peace of mind when working on sensitive engine parts. The 13-ounce tube is a good size for multiple uses, and I appreciate the long-lasting results it delivers. It's reliable in preventing leaks and ensuring that gaskets stay in place. Number 2. Permatex 81182 Gear Oil RTV. This advanced gasket maker is specially designed to handle the tough conditions in differentials and transfer cases. It's formulated to resist breakdown from gear oil, providing a superior seal. Unlike ordinary sealants, it's made with specialty silicone that won't break down from gear oil friction modifiers. This ensures long-lasting protection and prevents leaks. It actively seeks out and seals even the smallest leak paths that traditional gaskets often miss, providing a more complete seal than ever before. This product has been rigorously tested to meet original equipment manufacturer specifications. You can trust it to deliver the complete sealing power you need. It's sensor-safe, non-toxic, and non-flammable, making it a safe and reliable choice for all your automotive sealing needs. With its advanced formula and rigorous testing, it provides a superior seal, protecting your vehicle's vital components. Choose Permatex for lasting performance. What we like. Specifically formulated for gear oil environments, it's the ultimate solution for differentials and transfer cases. If you need a gasket maker that can withstand the harsh conditions of gear oil, this is your best bet. Its superior sealing power ensures long-lasting protection. What people say. Sealed differential cover the first time. Formulated to resist gear oil and additives. Easy to follow instructions. Handy tube fits in your hand and is as easy to apply. Sticks right where you need it. It is very sticky. Very durable versus fluids, especially gear oil. Never had a leak when using this product. Used this product on a 2010 Ford F-150 differential. I've used this several times with no issues. One bit of advice, many videos out there on YT and many apply the sealant on the differential cover, but when you're on your back trying to put it in place, one tend to touch the sealant, smearing it. It is much easier to put the sealant on the differential housing first and then putting the cover. It avoids touching the bead of sealant. Number 1. Permatex 82180 RTV Silicone Gasket Maker. This is Permatex 82180, the ultimate solution for creating durable and reliable seals. It's perfect for various applications where maximum oil resistance is crucial. It's made from high-quality ultra-black RTV silicone, ensuring superior performance and a professional finish. This silicone forms a strong, long-lasting seal. This product boasts maximum oil resistance, making it ideal for engines and other high-pressure, oil-filled systems. It's designed to withstand harsh conditions. Application is simple and straightforward. It easily fills gaps and creates a perfect seal, saving you time and effort. Each pack contains 2 convenient 3.35-ounce tubes, providing ample material for multiple projects. You'll have plenty on hand for future repairs. Count on it for a superior seal every time. It provides long-lasting protection against leaks and ensures optimal performance of your equipment. What we like. Get double the sealing power with this 2-pack of Ultra Black Silicone Gasket Maker. If you have multiple projects or need extra sealant on hand, this is the economical and convenient choice. The larger quantity ensures you'll always have enough for the job. What people say. I used it as a gasket for my clutch cover on my Yamaha R6. First go around it had a small leak, but I redid it and used a thicker bead. It worked great. About 3,000 miles on it now and drive it normal, no leaks and my oil level hasn't moved. I used this on my 2004 Tiburon's oil pan during a replacement, and the gasket has been holding up great. I followed the instructions on the back, and let the gasket cure for at least 24 hours before pouring in fresh engine oil. The valve cover on my Honda walk-behind mower started leaking oil. I took it in to get repaired, but my guy said although he could do it, I could save myself a good chunk of money if I made this repair myself. You simply remove the valve cover, after draining the oil, clean off the old silicone gasket, press out this gasket material onto the valve cover to form the new gasket, reattach to the mower and allow it to sit for 24 hours. Pour in new oil and you're ready to go. Great product for all your gasket needs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.